So I promised myself I'd give a quick short review of the Monoprice 10 keyless Cherry MX Red gaming keyboard with macro keys. Now, macro keys themselves are great. I like having one-off buttons to do some things. Now, I used to have the Logitech G11 keyboard with 27 keys, with the 4 function layers, using a function button right here. I really can't complain. This thing is pretty rock solid for the price. You can pick it up for about $90 to $100 depending. I'm in Canada, so the shipping was evil. But it's a solid, heavy keyboard. Comes with a wrist rest. Now, you'll notice that it is flush mount, so there is no, I guess, place for the keys to go. Now, that may make it a little bit louder. It does bottom out pretty easily. But other than that, it's really a solid find. Here's a peek at the switches. Let me pop that cap right back on there. So yeah, Monoprice did a good thing. Now, also picked up the ugliest mouse in the world. I absolutely love it, despite the fact that the LEDs are 1, 2, 3 different colors. This scroll wheel is awesome. It feels great under the fingers. And it was nice and cheap to throw into the cart while picking up the keyboard. So, check it out. If you haven't already, it's really a good, solid piece of kit. I'm not going to complain. Now, as for keyboard science, here's my Birkenstocks.